At some point in your life, you may have seen or had to crack a code. For example, Braille. Braille is a code where letters and numbers are made up of a selection of 6 bumps in a 2x3 rectangle. It was created so that the visually impaired could have an easy way of reading and understanding the world around them. You may not use Braille, but you may use codes more than you think. This is Bletchley Park Mansion, the place where the British deciphered the codes from the Germans in World War II. This was when deciphering codes became really important. If the British had not cracked the Germans' codes, the outcome of the war would have been uncertain. So how do we use codes today? One type of code that we use almost every day is a barcode. We use barcodes to buy loads of everyday things, such as clothes, food, and beauty products. So, how does a barcode work? The numbers on a barcode have a meaning and represent something. If the barcode is an EAN barcode, the first number represents the country that it is in. The second number indicates the type of product. A 0 shows that the product is a national brand. A 2 represents a meat or cheese that has been weighed or wrapped in a store. A 3 shows that the product is a health or beauty aid. A 4 means that the store has reduced the original price of the product, and a 5 indicates a manufacturer's cents off coupon. The 3rd to 7 digits form the manufacturer's identification number, and the 8th to 12th are assigned by the company to distinguish the product from others made by that company. The 13th digit is the check digit. This digit helps prevent mistakes when the barcode numbers are being coded into machines. To make sure that the barcodes are correct, we have to find the sum of digits in the 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th and 12th positions and multiply that by 3. We then add this to the sum of the digits in the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th positions and add it all up, which in this case equals 101, meaning that the 13th, or check digit, has to be 9 to bring the number up to 110, which is a multiple of 10. Therefore, the code is valid and will be accepted into a computer. Another code that is used in our day-to-day lives is public key cryptography, also known as asymmetric encryption. It is one of the most widely used types of codes or cipher. It is a modern code and is made of 2 keys, the private and the public key. The public key is a large number that everyone can get. The private key is the product of only 2 numbers apart from 1 and the number itself. These 2 numbers are multiplied together and can produce the public key. For example, if the public key is 1764, the private key can be 36 and 49, because 36 times 49 equals 1764. This way of coding is very secure and is used in emails, bank access details, and etc. Without the private key, you cannot decipher the code. As you can imagine, the bigger the number the public code is, the harder it is to find the divisors, or the private key. Now you know one way in which maths is more than just numbers. Why don't you go and create your own code?